How to find the right Harley-Davidson CV40 Keihin carburetor. When I discovered the knockoff carburetor on the channel's 2001 Sportster XL 1200S Sport, I began searching for a Keihin CV40 replacement carburetor. New carburetors from Harley-Davidson are no longer available for these models. For a genuine Harley-Davidson carburetor, the choice is a used, rebuildable carburetor with factory tuning for this specific Sportster model. In picking the right Keihin CV40 carburetor, the first step is to identify the original Harley-Davidson part number for the motorcycle. The carburetor numbers reflect the main body casting and float bowl type, jetting, the accelerator pump, vacuum piston, fuel flow metering, and emissions requirements. For exhaust emissions purposes, California models often have different tuning and a unique carburetor part number. The channel's Sportster has federal or 49 state emissions and better parts availability. There are minimal emissions devices on this unmodified motorcycle, basically passive gasoline vapor controls. In researching the 2001 Sportster XL 1200S Sport, the pilot and main jetting are the same as other XLH 1200 models of that era. In outward appearance, however, the sports carburetor has a unique feature. Easy to spot, the fuel bowl has no drain pipe, hose, or drain screw. In collaboration with motorcycle manufacturers, carburetor suppliers like Keihin assign stamping or tag numbers to each carburetor application. That number reflects the carburetor's features and tune. Harley-Davidson uses this identification number as the official part number for each V-twin carburetor. The part number represents a Keihin CV40 carburetor with specific jet sizes, fuel metering, linkages, accelerator pump, and fuel bowl design. The CV40's constant velocity carburetor has a manifold vacuum-modulated piston with diaphragm that changes the venturi shape. This venturi shape and size reflect atmospheric pressure, air density, incoming airspeed or velocity, and air volume. Manifold vacuum reacts to the engine load. This responsiveness enabled Harley-Davidson to use the Keihin CV40 on Evolution 883, 1200, and 1340 V-twins, plus a number of twin-cam models, while still meeting emission standards. EFI began with some big twins in 1998 and served alongside carbureted models through 2006. From 2007 up, all Sportster, Dyna, and Touring models feature EFI. There are plenty of used 1988 to 2006 Keihin CV40 carburetors available in the used market. There are even a few new replacement carburetors available from Harley-Davidson. These new carburetors sell in the $550 range. At that cost, a good used and rebuildable CV40 carburetor is appealing to many owners. CV Performance offers a generic replacement CV40 carburetor without the HD logo. The carburetor requires jetting for specific engines. CV Performance notes that this new carburetor requires a knowledgeable or professional installer. Priced at half the cost of a genuine Harley-Davidson carburetor, the generic CV40 includes many CV Performance upgrades. A CV40 tuned and staged for an Evolution Big Twin or Twin Cam will not work for a Sportster and vice versa. However, since many parts are similar, a used parts carburetor might help restore an original carburetor. I didn't have this option. The Sport came with a knockoff carburetor. The original carburetor was gone. Be sure you use the main and pilot jets described in the factory service manual for your model. Although many CV40 parts will interchange, the tuning needs to match your engine, model, and equipment. Consider the emissions devices and unique carburetor features, especially when restoring a California model. The major design breakpoints for a Harley-Davidson Keihin CV40 would be the 1988 to 1991 group and the 1992 to 2006 carburetors. Parts are easier to find for the 1992 and newer carburetors. Harley-Davidson still offers some smaller, more universal parts for the CV40. CV Performance is also a resource and can assist with both replacement and upgrade parts. In any case, follow the factory service manual data for your motorcycle and use the online Harley-Davidson parts catalog or CV Performance site as references. When picking a rebuildable core, the strategies described in this video will help. For the 2001 Sportster XL 1200S, I want to restore the engine to its factory configuration before considering any upgrades. I am seeking the right carburetor by the identification numbers. If original, the carburetor will come with a correct tune and jets. It will appear stock for a 1998 to 2003 Sport, which came factory equipped with Buell Lightning dual spark plug cylinder heads, 10-to-1 compression, and hotter cams. It would not be unusual to find that an otherwise stock carburetor has a jet change. If the motorcycle operated continuously at a higher elevation, the jets would be leaner. If the engine had aftermarket exhaust pipes or a compression boost, the jets could be richer. A 1200 kit on an 883 will call for richer 1200 jets. When buying a used carburetor, confirm the jet sizes during the carburetor teardown for cleaning. Be aware that other motorcycle makes and models have used Keihin CV carburetors. None of these carburetors has a Harley-Davidson logo or trademark shield on its body casting. In particular, the CV40, popular on Kawasaki KLR 650s, does not have an accelerator pump system. This is a vital and necessary feature for Harley-Davidson V-twin Evolution and twin cam engines. Avoid buying a KLR carburetor for your Harley-Davidson. Even with richer jets to match the larger displacement V-twin needs, the missing accelerator pump will cause stumbling when the throttle cracks open. A defective accelerator pump diaphragm on a CV40 will exhibit that same symptom. There are many used carburetor sources, including eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Etsy, and Mercari. For this search, I went to eBay. The eBay metrics for evaluating sellers is valuable. So let's begin by sorting out which Keihin CV40 carburetor is right for the channel's Sportster. This starts online with research at the official Harley-Davidson parts catalog. I begin by putting in the bike and asking for an original carburetor part number, which takes me to the Harley-Davidson OEM service parts link. The Harley-Davidson OEM service parts site is a wonderful resource. Here I drill down on the 2001 Sportster XL1200S. The original carburetor was a 27731-98A. This carburetor is obsolete. Harley-Davidson no longer stocks this carburetor. There is a supersedure, however. The carburetor that replaced this was a 27480-97, which was common to XL1200C models, and the 27480-97 is no longer available new either. Either of these carburetors will fit. The first one is the actual replacement. The supersedure will fit and operate on that engine. We're headed for a used carburetor. At eBay, the first finds were the 27480-97 or 97A, which is the popular carburetor on the XL1200C models. This is a 27480-97. There were quite a few of these carburetors, but they lack the authenticity of the 27731-98, the carburetor that fits the XL1200S. A distinguishing difference is the float bowl. The 27731-98 does not have a provision for a drain. This carburetor caught my attention. It's a 27731-98, the authentic carburetor for an XL1200S. Advertised inexpensively as a parts-only carburetor, I took a real close look at this unit. Unfortunately, it's frozen up. I weighed the possibilities of being able to unstick it, and the risk is just too high, especially for a mail-order parts carburetor. I continued the search, confident that another 27731-98 would show up. This 27731-98 got my attention. Allegedly new, it came from a trade school, which raised some concerns on my part, having taught for 7 years at the adult education level. There wasn't a screw on the carburetor that hadn't had its head twisted. Japanese industrial standard heads don't take an American Phillips screwdriver. I passed on this one. This carburetor caught my eye. It's a 27480-97, the factory supersedure for my original 27731-98. The most obvious difference between this carburetor and the 27731 is a float bowl with a drain. Beyond that, the internal parts, jetting, and tune is acceptable for the XL1200S. I halfway talked myself into the advantages of having a drain tube on the bottom of the float bowl for clear tube testing of the carburetor float level. The clear tube is great for field troubleshooting. I was about to make a bid on the 27-480-97 carburetor when this 27-731-98 came up. Steel Cycle out of Colorado had this unit. I took a close look at the series of photos and saw the minimal wear on this original carburetor for a XL1200S. I knew this was the right one. I made a reasonable bid on the carburetor, Steels accepted the bid, and I believe I ended up with the best possible carburetor for my XL1200S. My hunch is that this carburetor has low mileage. The carburetor arrived promptly by priority mail, and I would certainly go back to Steel Cycle in the future for products like this. If you need a used Keihin CV40 carburetor for your Harley-Davidson, follow these steps. In my experience, even the best low-mileage carburetor needs a refresh. Carburetors that set up for any length of time are prone to passageway clogging and gum or varnish buildup. In the pending video on rebuilding the CV40, we'll evaluate the Keihin CV40's wear points and restore the carburetor's performance to like-new standards. Whether I'm riding across the Great Basin on the loneliest road in America or climbing the Sierra Passes, the Sportster's carburetor needs that level of reliability.